you guys think we should push all the way to that dirt hill?
Yeah, I think you guys should.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Hey. No, oh yeah, that reminds me. With your hand right here. Hand me the grenade. Orange, get behind the orange flag. Back up.
Oh, we're not behind it. We're behind it now.
Rude. Sorry. I'm used to speaking. 3, 2, 1, game on!
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, what a perfect place to cross. Right here. Oh, thank you.
What are you doing with
That's their green. That's their flag. That's a re.
No, leave it.
Leave it. Leave it. Yo, what are you doing? No, they only have one life.
They only have one life. Once they're dead, they all live here.
Yeah! You need me to go there? Gerritt!
Yeah, right here. They've got range.
Oh shit, yeah, I see.
You got a sniper, there's a shit ton of people just chilling there. You got range, right?
I'm pulling back, yes.
Alright.
There's still one in the bushes, I can see him. Yo, call that! Yeah! Yo!
Yeah, move forward. Oh shit, yeah.
Call it! Yo, call it! Call it! Yo, I hit you in the leg! Get out! Yo! What the hell is wrong with this?
Start the fitting at 5. What? I'll start the fitting at 5.
I'll go up to 6!
7.
$1 million!
Are we attacking him?
10.
You know what? 4, take it or leave it.
Orange Dave, listen up.
Oh, my left arm hurts.
Go wide.
Wide? Do you want my sniper or my pistol?
Sniper.
I don't know.
Hey, Ian, come here.
Yeah.
You take this spot. You know what tree it is?
No.
See that gray?
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
Fuck, get out of there. It's a tall gray tree. Oh, he's peeking right side. Got his friend?
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, yes! Woo! Thank you! Holy crap! Yeah, you got a ghillie guy right there? Too bad your BBs are dropping off. Woo! You're getting close. Woo! Those are actually getting really close.
So in one of the games in this video, I get really mad at people not calling their hits, and that is because I normally don't hit people, and today especially I was missing a lot of people, and everyone I was hitting was just not calling their hits. So that's why I ended up getting really mad, and I get that no one wants to see me get mad at some random people for maybe not feeling a hit, so that's why I decided to include this little audio portion. Anyways, on to some other clips from today.
Bang, bang.
Okay.
Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here! Woo! Yep. Whoa, hey. God damn, I fell into the fucking river and I just decided to sit in it. Yo! Whoa! Chill the fuck out!
Yeah, dude, I seen you. I seen you go in the river, but I didn't see you move.
When? I was already dead. I literally screamed hit.
Hey, it's my little buddy.
Hey! Dude, I sat in the river.